Hello, this is Stacy, and today I'm going to be demonstrating line-by-line searching for you. Line-by-line searching is a strategy that can be used to combine different concepts and to combine keywords and subject headings together in a search. It is a good technique when you're trying to figure out which words you want to include in your search. Also good for combining multiple concepts into a search. For this example, I'm going to be using the concept of nutrition for community dwelling older adults. So the first topic that I'm going to look at is community dwelling. So we've got community dwelling, and I'm going to run that search. And I'm going to click on a couple articles here and just see what other headings we have. So community living is an option. I'm going to click on that heading, and it has run a search for community living. We can also just check another one and see if there is anything else. I'm not seeing, it's got community living again here. So what we want to do is combine our search for community living with community dwelling. And we're going to do that using the search history function, which is right here underneath our search boxes. So the Pico search you may have used before, and then there's search history. So we have our first search for community dwelling, and then our second search for the heading community living. And we are going to combine those two searches using the tools in the gray bar. We have the option to combine with and or combine with or. To help us decide which of the two operators we want to use, we can quickly review our Boolean searching tutorial. So when we combine with and, we get only results that have both concepts. So if we say blue and glasses, we only get the blue bunnies that are wearing glasses. So we only have the overlap between blue and glasses. If we use or, blue or glasses, or is more. We get more results with or. So we've got blue bunnies with and without glasses, and we've got all the other colors of glasses wearing bunnies. So or is more. So for this search, we've got community living, community dwelling. We want both of those concepts, or is more. We are going to search with or. And then if we go back to our search history, we can now see here that we have the search 3 for search 1 or search 2. Our first search had 20,000, second had 9,000. There is some overlap in here, so we ended up with 25,000 for that search. So we've got community dwelling as a concept. What we're going to look for now is the concept of older people. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this out. So it'll provide some options for us. You can see these are already all combined with or. We can run that search. And we can see here we've got all of these different synonyms, and we've got over 1 million results. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead and go with the 1 million results. We could continue adding things to this to make it an even bigger group. Just a quick example, we're going to stick with just search for here. All right, last thing is we need to get the concept of nutrition, food, nutrients, diet. What is this population of community dwelling older adults taking in to nourish themselves? So we can do nutrition, diet, food, nourishment, food intake, eating. That comes back with about 400,000. We can click on a couple of these and just see what other headings might be possible. And we've got diet, nutrients, and food intake. All of these look very good. So I'm going to click on diet. To get back to that search, we can click on view results for search 5. It'll take us right back. We can go back into this article, click on nutrients to pick it up. Now we've got to search for nutrients. We can go back again to the results for search 5. Click on this article again, and we will get food intake. Okay, so we have food intake, nutrients, diet, and all of these keywords here, and we want to combine all of these together. Now, before you combine, you always want to make sure that you clear first. So we're going to clear. This is all cleared out, and we're going to combine food intake, nutrients, diet, or nutrition. So we've got all these things ordered together, all of these concepts, and we are going to combine with or. And we end up with about where we started here with just our keywords. So our subject headings didn't do a whole lot with this search. But when you are working on an evidence synthesis project, again, you're going to want to spend more time than this. This is just a very quick example. All right, I'll clear this out again. For our final search in this example, we want to combine the concepts of our food and nutrition with our concepts for elderly or aged or older adults with our search for community living or community dwelling. So we've got search number 3 was community living or community dwelling. Search number 4 was all of these synonyms for older adults. And search number 9 was the combination of all of these keywords. We're cleared out up here at the top, so that's fine. We've got our 3 results selected. And for this search, since we want all of these together, we're going to combine with and. So out of all of those literally million and some articles, we have got it down to 1,700 that have the terms that we've selected. So what you could do from here is you could come up with additional terms to add in. You could add in, pick another term and add in. You could decide to remove one of these, combine it differently. It just gives you ways to manipulate your results. Also ways to figure out if the changes you've made are actually having any effect. Because when you're looking over here at your actions, we can see that all of our keywords came up with the same result as adding in these additional subject headings. So the subject headings here didn't really make a difference. However, down here, community dwelling versus community living did definitely make a difference because we had overlap that was not there once we combined them. So this is just a very quick overview of how this process works. If you have any questions, please drop me an email or come see me in my office, and we can work on some line-by-line searching.